Drawing is one of the oldest forms of human expression within the visual arts, generally concerned with the marking of lines and areas of tone onto paper or other materials. It has been a popular and fundamental means of public expression throughout human history. Drawing is one of the simplest and most efficient means of communicating ideas, which was accepted as a specialized form of communication before the invention of the written language, demonstrated through the production of cave and rock paintings around 30,000 years ago. The wide availability of drawing instruments makes drawing one of the most common artistic activities. Hello there, welcome to ExamPadi. Our topic today is drawing instruments. In this video, we will explain what drawing instruments are, describe the types and the uses of drawing instruments, and also discuss the importance and maintenance of drawing instruments. Drawing instruments are materials used for layout drawing or measurement. They are tools used to prepare neat and accurate sketches. Drawing is often exploratory with considerable emphasis on observation, problem solving, and composition. Drawing can either be made on paper, floors, walls, or on the computer. Examples of drawing instruments include pens, pencils, rulers, compasses, protractors, and so on. Come along with me as we study the different types of drawing instruments. 1. Drawing board. This is a wooden platform on which drawing paper is fixed in readiness for drawing or painting. It is also used for making parallel lines. 2. T-square. This is a T-shaped instrument used for drawing horizontal lines on paper or on drafting table. It's either made of wood, plastic, or metal. 3. Ruler. It is used to measure the length in both metric and customary units. 4. Compass. A compass is used for drawing circles and arcs. It is also used as a marking tool. 5. Set square. Set square is used to draw angles, vertical and diagonal lines. These are available in plastic, that is acrylic, and wood. 6. Protractor. The protractor is used for measuring and constructing plane angles. Protractors are either made from plastic, metal, or wood material. 7. Pencil. This is a thin stick of graphite used for writing or creating sketches. 8. Drawing templates. These are plastic or wooden boards containing several species of shapes and letters. 9. Drawing paper. It is a high-quality paper often used for drawing, made from wood cellulose. 10. Crayons. Crayons are sticks of pigmented wax used for drawing or coloring. 11. Eraser. An eraser is used to remove the lines or spots mistakenly made while drawing. Taking care of your artwork is equally as important as caring for your drawing instruments. To prolong the life cycle of our drawing tools, we need to do the following. 1. Keep your workspace clean. 2. Lay out all drawing instruments and separate them into piles of like items. 3. Return each instrument to its rightful place after use. 4. Never sharpen the pencil over the drawing or close to any of your equipment. 6. Drawing sheets or cardboard should be stored in a rolled form. 7. Tube watercolors should be covered to avoid drying up. Answer the following questions to test your knowledge of the topic. 1. Describe drawing instruments and their examples. 2. Enumerate 5 drawing instruments and discuss their uses. And 3. Sketch a circle and a straight line using the right drawing instrument. We've come to the end of this video. I'll see you in our next lesson. Bye.